I want to welcome everyone to the dedication and recognition of the Wilson County School Board Administrative and Training Complex.
But I couldn't think of a better place for our central office to be. This is the best location it could have been. Old buildings turned into new.
I know that as a consequence of what happens in this beautiful building, many people in this school district, in this county, in this state, and surrounding areas will certainly benefit for years to come.
Before today, we had an old school building here. There's an old building that's been run down so much publicly that nobody wanted to send their children here. It's a building that cost quite a bit in electricity just to keep open for those years that we had nothing in it. But now, because the Board of Education and the County Commission have come together, I'm thankful to know that we can witness what you see behind me here that puts, again, Wilson County on the top in education. Something that you can be proud for.
Central office people will be in here doing their jobs and working every day, but there will continue to be learning going on in the facility as our adult high school and our GED programs will be in here.
So with that, again, thank you. We will now cut the ribbon and then open the doors